Hey everyone! So, good afternoon. I've been starting my vlogs lately like really late. Yes. Um, I just don't know, but yeah. It's been late. It's already 2 p.m. and we are going out again. Today is Friday and we are going to today is the kids distribution of their cards, so we are going to their school to get their school card for the, I think, first grading, I guess. So yeah, and have you seen my hair, guys? My bangs, I just wanted to do an update on my bangs. It has grown super long already, and this is the first time that I am having almost a one length hair, that my bangs are long and I'm not having French. So this is the first time in, like, I don't know, maybe 15 years that I have my bangs not short up to here. So this is how it looks like, and I am rocking today this straight hair because they say that this is uso right now, the straight hair. So what do you think, guys? Bagay ba sa akin yung walang bangs and straight hair? Because if you've seen from my past videos that I always have my hair, I have my fringe here, my side swept bangs, and I always curl my hair. But this time I have it really straight. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below what you think of my straight hair. And oh my gosh, there's the monkey behind me. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you later. Quickly, I just wanted to do my outfit of the day. So we are going to the kids' school. So this is what I'm wearing. I usually wear this one. This is very affordable, you guys. I bought this from 138 Mall, 100 pesos only. And this one is from UNIQLO, and I don't know this one because I only stole this from mother's closet.
Okay.
Yes, maybe. So yeah, this is just my outfit. It looks like very simple motherly outfit for today because, you know, I'm a mother. So yun, that's it. Bye. So I will just be going downstairs because I need to eat lunch kasi I haven't eaten lunch yet. So, and we need to leave like mga 2:30 kasi 3 o'clock yung receiving of cards doon sa school. So saglit lang, we'll just have lunch. Have you eaten lunch na?
Yeah, already.
Nauna na siya without me. Lagi na lang. This is my lunch, rice. This is chicken with vegetable and pancit. Let's eat, guys! Can you see it, everybody? It is so bright and sunny, pero look at it! It's raining. I don't know if you could see the rain, but I think you could hear it, diba? So weird nowadays. Doomsday. Hi, Tommy! Scared of the rain? So yun. You can see there, guys, na umulan talaga, diba? Pero ang init. Diba? Hey guys, so wow, why is it not so clear? Bahala na eh. Nakaalis na kami and may baon akong! Yay! Yes! Maybe here, that's why it's so bright. I don't know, but then, and what is it? I'm going to apply hand cream first. This is my favorite hand cream, by the way, guys. You cannot see it. From NEQILLA. This is a very good one. It doesn't have smell. It absorbs so fast onto the skin, and it doesn't leave any greasy feeling at all. I'm gonna cover this. Yeah. So I look much better. So yeah, I'm just going to use this one. Ang galing naman, I have a new stand on my iPhone in front of me. So happy! So we are here sa school nila ate at ni Baba. And I forgot where are... Nasaan yung classroom nila? Do you know? Alam mo doon? Then, Dosyo. I know nandoon sa anong kabilang building ang si ate dito. I don't know, but I forgot what's the floor. I'm gonna treat ate with hi te. Good job te. Good job te.
Di ko kailangan mo kiss ni mo.
Kiss mama. Wow, look at my hair. Straight na ate. Hi te.
Straight, mas...
Ano man ni si ate, we? Ayaw magpa-kiss. Kakain na muna kami guys. I think we're going to Burger King. Gusto ko sana sa ano, sa McDonald's or sa Jollibee kasi I just wanted to eat fries. I'm craving for fries. Nice. Kanala akong tapat.
Tama ba i-plan na?
Dayon para na fries
Kuhan,
i-large.
cheeseburger na katong buwan, 99. I-large yapon?
Oh, okay.
I-large yapon ang fries. Coke.
Zero lang ilahan, zero lang na.
Ayun mo ha? Fries lang.
Extra na lang ka fries kaysa sachet, di ba?
Na may extra fries lang.
Hindi mo mag-washin yung hands ba? You wash your hands ba? Yun na. Uy, why did you drink it?
Tissue.
Tissue? Okay. Tissue's here. I'm going to have the first bite. This is my...
Uy ba?
Look at the camera.
Ano kung lang? Ano ba?
This tastes like royal. Hey friends, so we're home from SM and I will just do haul. Konti lang naman pero let's just do a haul. So yung unang binili namin, the first thing that we bought is this shoestring french fries from SM bonus. This is only 189 pesos. Oh, I'm blocking the light. Next is another carbonara style Del Monte carbonara sauce. Then what else? Alam ko kung lang yung binili namin eh. Yeah, super comfort. Glass cleaner. And then I also got a wet wipes. Yeah, this is from Sonicare. This is my favorite one because this one has aloe vera and I really like the scent of this one. It's not so overpowering to the nose, especially if you if I wiping my mouth or near my nose area. So I really like this one. This is Sonicare, the aloe vera and vitamin E enriched one. Then ano ba? Wala. So we are trying this one also guys from Mi Goreng. It's the Indomie. I think I watched a video last night. I don't know, I forgot what's the YouTube name of that girl, but she was doing a mukbang on this. What? Get out of the way!
Sorry!
Of the mukbang of this
sorry!
Indomie Mi Goreng. And I'm excited to try this because they say this is delicious daw. Hoy, katamate! And then,
Cheers!
yeah, give it to me. And then, I know this is so random, but Rookie got, of course, his brief just like the last time. Sa SM din niya binili yung brief niya. And then, may nakita din siyang t-shirt doon. Just, you know, your regular plain black t-shirt. And maganda naman yung quality, guys. It is only 149.75. So, roughly 150 pesos lang, di ba, bongga? And then, Baba also bought these shoes. Wow, it's so cute. This is also very, very affordable. Only 249 pesos. And, ano siya? It's so soft inside and, yeah, maganda. So, yun lang yung haul ko! Babush! Oh, by the way, guys, I forgot to mention that, diba, sabi ko kanina that we are going to, today is getting of cards from the kids, and Ate was doing well because she was an achiever for the first quarter. Diba? Yay! Good job, Ate Tati. So she was an achiever. Baba is doing well too. She just needs a little, you know, because lately she's been busy doing Roblox, and partly it's also my fault, and of course his father's fault, because we were letting her play Roblox, but this time we need to be strict on her, because although she has big grades, but there is one subject only that she was struggling right now. So, but overall, both of them are doing great on their school, on their studies. So we were happy with that. Sana lang they will continue to be like that, or else they know the condition, or else. Yeah. I will just be editing a video because I haven't uploaded my video yet, or edited my video yet, and I need to upload it 2 hours from now. Oh my gosh, because I wanted to upload it like around 8 p.m. so yeah, I'm just gonna hurry editing it and upload it. So I think also I'm just going to call it a night. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. I'll see you on my next video.